Hey everyone, it's Mr. Vargas again, here to help my Math 6 students with homework 5.3, pages 367 and 368. Let's take a look at a few examples from tonight's assignment. Let's go ahead and start with problem number 2. We are asked to compare two numbers using less than, greater than, or equal to. Our two numbers are 1 and -3, and we have to fill in that little circle with one of these comparing symbols. So if we remember, we can go ahead and make a number line to figure out where our integers lie on the number line. I'll do that really quickly. Got 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3. Alright, I'm going to plot the number 1 first, and it is right there. And I'll plot -3, and it happens right there. So 1, the number 1 here is to the right of -3. So our arrow is going to point to the right, or we can think of it as the number 1 is a bigger number, so the alligator mouth eats the bigger number, or we can think of it as the bully, the bigger number, points down at the smaller number, -3. And we would read this as 1 is greater than -3. That's how we would translate that into words. Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 4. This problem says Amy is building a house. The basement floor is at -15 feet. That's probably important. I'll write that down. And the roof of the house is above the ground at 25 feet. Write an inequality to compare the heights. I'll write down 25 feet. So we've got -15 and 25, and we need to compare those two numbers, writing an inequality, and explain the meaning of the inequality. So if you were to do your number line again, this time we'll do it by 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, -5, -10, -15. Plot those 2 points. We've got that at -15 and 25. So since 25 is more to the right on the number line, it's to the right of -15, we would say that it is greater than. In our inequality statement, we're actually going to read this from left to right, so -15. -15 is to the left, or less than +25. Alright? And the inequality here means that the basement at -15 is much lower than the roof of the house, which is at 25 feet. That kind of makes sense. You would expect your basement to be underground and your roof to be on top of your house. Alright, next problem. Let's look at number 6. We are given a set of integers and we're asked to order them from least to greatest. And here is the set of numbers: 15, 17, 21, 6, and 3. Okay, this is an easy one. But that's alright, we'll finish it anyways. Your smallest number goes first, and that is going to be 3. I'll cross it out. And then 6, 15, 17, and 21. And we just did that from least to greatest. Smallest to biggest. Alright, let's check out an example from the back page. 368. How about number 11? Number 11 says write a real world situation to explain the inequality. Negative 15 is less than $7. Okay, here's a real world situation. I have negative $15 in bank A and $7 in bank B. Bank A has less money than bank B. There you go. That's a good real world situation. Alright, that's it for now. Good luck on the rest of the problems, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.